In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello boards in 2025 Project Management for Beginners, 5 minutes. Trello is a visual project management tool that helps you organize work with simple building blocks, boards, lists, and cards. To get started, head to the Trello website and create a free account, or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, look for the Create New Board button. Click it to spin up a fresh space for your project. Give your board a clear, descriptive name so everyone knows its purpose at a glance. Before you create it, choose the visibility that fits your needs. Private keeps it to you and invited members, Workspace limits it to your team, and Public makes it discoverable. If you're new, Private or Workspace is usually best while you explore. Inside your board, think of lists as the stages of your workflow and cards as the individual tasks moving through those stages. Lists help you organize work in sequence. You can call them anything you like, and tailoring these titles to your process is the key to making Trello click. A simple setup many teams use is to do, in progress, and completed. If you're running a content pipeline, you might use ideas, research, writing, editing, and ready for publishing. You're never locked in. Drag and drop lists to rearrange them as your process evolves. Next, add your work as cards. At the bottom of any list, select Add a Card and type a short, action-focused title like Draft Project Plan or Send Client Update. As the work moves forward, drag the card from one list to the next. This motion is the heartbeat of Trello, giving you instant visibility into progress without complex reports. Click any card to open its details, often called the card back. Here's where collaboration happens. Use the description to add context, goals, or links with simple formatting so the most important information stays front and center. Break bigger tasks into checklists, which make progress measurable and easy to scan. Add due dates to set deadlines and get timely reminders so nothing slips. Labels help you categorize work by priority, type, or department using colors and short names. Attachments let you keep files, links, or images right on the card, so resources live with the work. And use comments to discuss updates, share decisions, and keep everything in one place for the team. That's the core of Trello in 2025. Create a board, design your lists, add cards, and move them as work gets done. Keep it simple, keep it visual, and let your board reflect the way your team actually works.